Okay, hello again. This is a graphic organizer we've seen before. And right now we're talking about how retelling can help us clarify some things we don't know about a story, or maybe we need to go back if we didn't understand something quite the way that we think we should have. So right now we're going to take this graphic organizer. We've seen it before. We're going to use it for beginning, middle, and end. Okay? And that will really help us to kind of clarify and put our ideas and thoughts down on paper and go from there. So, if we look back at the story we just read about the fir tree, what happened in the beginning? Okay, what happened in the beginning? Now, at this point, if I said, "Oh my goodness, I read that whole story and I really don't know what happened at the beginning," um, then that would be a good time to go back and reread the story. Okay? So if I were to go back and reread the story, then I would probably have a better idea of what happened in the beginning. So far, um, I know that I can put it into my own words. I don't want to put exactly what was in the story. I want to take that information and put that into my own words. So far, I remember that I read that there were two girls, Emma and Jessie. They were sisters, and they were walking through the woods. Um, Emma wanted to take a shortcut, but Jessie was worried because of the myth about bluebells. Is that what happened in the beginning? Yeah. So that's what I'm going to put here in the beginning because that's what happened in the beginning of my story. Emma and Jessie were walking through the woods. Emma wanted to take a shortcut, but Jessie was worried because of the myth about bluebells. Perfect. You did awesome. Okay, so now we have our beginning. What happens if you don't remember what happened in the middle? Right, you can go back and reread the story. All right, so I'm going to let you pick it up where we left off together. So what I'd like you to do is go ahead and fill out your graphic organizer. You can use Sketch, you can use whatever tool you like. You can print it out and write right on it. And I want you to go ahead and add the beginning that we came up with together. And then I want you to add the middle and the end. And look at how nice and short and concise I summarized that. It doesn't have to be the whole story, just a sentence or even two about what happened in that part of the story.